This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. This 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage features an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen including stainless steel appliances. Beautiful modern tile flooring throughout the home and carpet in bedrooms. Spacious Master Suite featuring walk-in closet, walk-in shower and his and her sinks, split floor plan with large guest bedrooms. City water and sewer. Located in convenient location near schools and shopping and easy access to -95. New public shopping being built right around the corner of the community. First, last and security deposit required. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.